Hi, this is Toju from IndexCube, and today I'm going to quickly walk through how to use our index search engine app. This is an app that allows you to search for all the dates in which a particular event or sequence of events occurred between two or more tokens. For example, you can get answers to questions like, what days in the past week did ETH outperform SOL? Or what days in the past month did ADA outperform ETH, while the index returned more than 2%? We leverage all the market data that we accumulate from our indexes to produce this search engine, which can be used by both investors and traders to identify patterns in a token's performance or in the relative value of different tokens over time. So to get started, I'm going to explain how the search engine works. The app allows you to submit a search by selecting from a menu of preset words, numbers, or phrases, each of which are linked to a specific character or number of characters in our backend system. We use Google's API query language to produce queries from our database, which consists of the 24-hour percentage price change for several tokens in an index, as well as the date that those returns were recorded. We update this database with the latest returns every day. Our app translates this query language into plain English commands to make it easy for anyone to run a search. So what you're seeing on the screen now is our new search page. This is the main page from where you can run a search based on 4 conditions. 1. A time period, such as from November 1st to November 30th. 2. A token. 3. An action, such as underperformed, outperformed, returned more than, or returned less than. And 4. Another token, or a specific value such as 1% or 2%. And lastly, a closed bracket to signal to the system the end of the search description. So when you read it out loud, it's asking, from November 1st to November 30th, when did SOL outperform ETH? So to demonstrate, I'm going to create a new search by clicking the Edit button, which will open up a panel for me to enter the 4 conditions. First, I'm going to change the timeline from November 1st to November 15th. I'm going to change the token SOL to ADA. And then I'm going to change outperform to underperform. Then I'll click Save. I will then swipe right to go to the next page, which shows the query language that has been translated from my selected commands. I will then click the Edit button again and scroll down to the Submit Query box to confirm that an entry has been made. I will then click Save again. Once I click Save, the entry in the Submit Query box will change into a series of dates, as you can confirm from the change to the word date under Submit Query. I will then swipe right one more time to view the list of dates. This shows me that SOL outperformed ETH on November 1st, November 2nd, and November 6th, 2022. Now, if I want to run a new search, but this time with more than 4 conditions, I can click on the tab below that says Search Additional Conditions, which takes me to a new search page. On this page, you can see the addition of 3 more conditions. Read out loud, the command says, from November 1st to 15th, when did AVAX underperform MATIC and the L1 index, which we're calling index L1SC, return less than 5%. So now we're looking for what days satisfy all 7 of these conditions. Before proceeding, I'm going to edit this search and replace AVAX with BNB and 5% with 4%. I'm then going to click Save. Once I click Save, I then swipe right to the page that shows the query language translation. I click Edit again and scroll down to confirm that an entry has been made to the Submit Query box. I then click Save again. Once I see the query entry change to the word date, I swipe right to where I can see the list of dates. Sometimes, if there are lots of dates, you can find the rest by swiping right again. On the desktop browser, the swipe left-right function is replaced by clicking a left or right arrow on either side of the screen. So that covers how the app works. This is a great tool for traders who want a simple way to analyze market data without needing to write code or pay for proprietary software. You can create automated trading strategies based on patterns you identify from the search engine, produce research reports, or optimize your own portfolio based on the relative value of these token assets. To access the app, visit indexcube.io and fill out the sign-up form on our site. Thanks.